spent like the last 3 days playing here with the Hohem vlogger kit, which they sent out to me. The reason why I only took this quick review was because I really wanted to try out this. They have this little Bluetooth remote that acts as a remote for the gimbal. You can start and stop it, double click to reset it, and you can enable the face tracking, which was fantastic. One of the best face tracking apps I've done in a long time. And right now I'm using the stock app, and I actually using the face tracker. So we move that off to the side, move it off to the side, move it up. I mean, it's working pretty well. So it's working better than most apps that I've ever used. So, and this also doubles as a microphone. Unfortunately, with my Note 8, we could not get it to work. I was in contact with Hohem. Great, thanks for their customer service and tech support, and we couldn't get it to work with the Note 8. But other than that, out of the box, if you are a beginner and you like vlogging or that's your thing, this is a fantastic way to start. You get a gimbal and a microphone, a Bluetooth microphone, which is A+, especially for vlogging. That's pretty cool. It has this separate remote here, which acts as a microphone, but I don't think it's working as a microphone at the moment, because every time I put it into smart mic mode, for some reason it doesn't save the video. Like, it records the video like everything's operational, and then the video is, I can't play it back. It's like, it doesn't recognize it or something. So I've actually have that turned off. But what's really cool, I can control this gimbal with this little supposedly microphone / remote, which connects via Bluetooth, and I can start and stop it. And it also comes with a little dead cat, which is inside the box. It also comes with headphones. So super fantastic. The app is pretty decent. The app comes with some features that you can do a little bit of like automated motions and stuff, which I'm not a big fan of because I like to have complete manual control of everything I do. And that's the reason why I don't use these apps. I use Filmic Pro or I use MC Pro because I can control all the settings for my video to get the maximum quality out of it. But as a beginner, I would definitely recommend this gimbal. This whole kit, you get everything you need to just get out and start vlogging and taking photos and all that. Really cool. So it's a really cool little setup here. I'm quite impressed with that little montage you saw before that. Before this, I did use this gimbal with my Moment anamorphic lens, and it was I lost a couple of shots because of some micro jitters. It looks like it's a little too heavy. The lens was a little too heavy for it. But, you know, it's not really a gimbal made for stacking lenses on there and flying around that. So I was putting it to the limit. It did all right. So, you know, I'm quite pleased with it. Honestly, it's going to go into my bag as just for if I need something quick, Instagram, and I'm doing a quick little video and I just slap my phone on there. This is going in my bag. And plus, it's so small that, you know, it's the same size as my other vlogging stick that I was using recently. My Moza selfie stick, electric selfie stick. But this honestly is going to go in the bag because it's just super convenient and super easy. The app is pretty decent, but again, I'm not a fan of apps. I like to use my own. So if you're in the market right now for a gimbal and you get a microphone and you get a set of headphones, definitely take a look at the iSteady Vlogger kit. I'll have the link down in the description. So enough of my jibber jabber, just quickly in and out on this video here for you guys. I haven't been doing too many reviews right now just because there's nothing out there that I'm really into. But I took this one because I was hoping that microphone setup would have worked for me, and it didn't, unfortunately. But anyways, keep filming. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Patrick Levar. Peace.